Oh yes, gingerly place the downpipe. It is downpipe day on the Supra. Maybe, are we doing the fuel system today or no?
I'll see.
We'll see. All right. Hot as balls out, welcome to Las Vegas summers. It's actually not too bad because the sun's not out, but it's still like, I think 100 degrees outside, something like that. We got the engine cover off, the O2 sensors are disconnected, and we're about to start working on the under panel. The car is super hot because Ricky had to drive up and down the street 5 times before we started working on it. And it's probably way too hot to touch. So I got my gloves in the other garage. We're actually using his neighbor's garage because there's more room. And here's the downpipe. What is this? The Boost Logic?
Boost Logic.
Yeah, Boost Logic downpipe. Super nice, like the flex pipe, like got this nice mesh cage on it. They ceramic coated everything. Ram Pro line did a really good job here. Came out really nice, but like, look at this thing, guys. Like, Jesus Christ. Hello. Colonoscopy. Hashtag Chadwick Boseman. Too soon. Slip fitting on the end there, and V-band up here. So we're gonna get started. Again, under panel off, and then drop that guy down. I don't know if you can see down there, it's probably dark, but this whole giant under panel needs to come off. So we're gonna start working on that. And then we'll get the downpipe off and go from there. So do a couple updates throughout the process, and then we'll do a little sound clip at the end. Unfortunately, we do have to get it tuned before we see any power gains, but it'll sound dope. So we'll see. Should probably do a before and after, but whatever. I don't want to start the car again. It's already hot as fuck. So you know what it sounds like. Look up stock Supra.
Okay.
Hi guys. All right, so main under panel's off. Taking a sweet picture of my armpit.
Oh yeah.
This guy's got to come out too. Makes it a little bit easier. Now you have access to everything. Super nice undercarriage on this car. There is the bracket right here, but god damn, I don't know. Oh, it's a E-Torx. That's what holds it onto the trans, the bell housing.
No, it's to the chassis.
I don't think so, buddy. There's like a sub bracket right here. Here, give me that. So I don't know if you guys can see.
It's a 13.
Up there, it's hard to see. Right over there, it's pretty dark. There's the two 13 mils, but...
No, not those. Those are for the downpipe.
Ow,
There's
fuck,
another
that hurt.
one
What are you talking about?
that holds the main exhaust, the catback.
You have to take that off?
Yeah, that's so you have enough wiggle room.
Oh, so this right here. I see it. It's right here. This guy. That's a 13. Okay, thanks. Let me just take this off with the power of my my hand.
You have the ratchet?
No! Oh, yes I do. Just kidding. B-Shaz. All right, so that's got to come off, and then we got to mess with this and then take off this slip piece right here. So we're getting there, but it's tight down here. There we go. All right, so these 13s are a bitch to get to, and the cat's like 9,000 degrees. So putting some gloves on, gonna try to get up there, and then we're gonna get over there to the V-band, and this thing should just pop right out in a perfect world and not burn the shit out of my body. Sick. Okay, finally got it out. Burned both my forearms in the process, but side by side, you know, this massive, you know, donkey dick catalytic converter cylinder. I don't know why they use such a shitty looking cat, but there it is. And there's the new one that's gonna go back in. Letting it cool down a little bit, and then we're gonna pop off the O2 sensors, swap them over, and then throw it back in the car. I don't know if you can see. Probably not, but I'm not gonna crawl under there right now. But we're gonna swap everything and then throw this Boost Logic one back in there. Okay, so came into a little bit of an issue. Can't get the downpipe onto the exhaust. The slip fitting.
It's also Cerakoted.
Is a Cerakoted, yeah. So, but it's just a very tight fitment. Maybe get some like lithium.
I got it.
You got it?
We're fully on.
All the way on?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah, but now I need to make sure the V-band can go back on.
Okay, well. I mean, you didn't disconnect the V-band completely. I know it's impossible to see down there. Sorry, guys. Let's go say hello to Ricky. Hello, Governor. Don't forget you got this light back here. Let me turn that around for you. There we go. That's a little better. Oh. Bleeding. Great. Make sure that the V-bend's on there. And you gotta hold the nut with your hand.
You should be able to see it. I saw it.
I mean, not really. In the car, man. Okay, downpipe is in. Boost logic, everything's tight, clamps tight, got the lower slip to go all the way in. Had to put that little hanger back on. Everything is twigga. So we're gonna do a little quick startup and see how she sounds. It's probably gonna have exhaust leaks.
Probably. We'll find them now.
That organic gasket's probably shredded.
Nah. It's inside. Let's sell the original one.
I'm dying. Should I stand in the back?
I mean, the exhaust is probably touching the ground.
Probably.
It's gonna be like 1,000 times louder than.
All right, cool. Give me a startup. You gotta put your foot on the brake now. What happened?
My key's over here.
Oh my god. Amateur hour.
Take them out when I call them. So I break it.
You took it out when you went in?
I mean, I don't take it out.
Leave it in? Oh my god. I'm so nervous. It's not in sport mode. Put it in sport mode. Is that in sport mode? I only hear it coming out of one end. It sounds the same. It's louder for sure. All right, hold on. Relax, I'm listening for exhaust leaks. Can you guys hear any exhaust leaks? All I hear is the tick. Bro, none of your O2 sensors are plugged in. All right, they're plugged in now. Forgot about that. Whoopsies! Alright. Alright, so the O2 sensors were disconnected, so now they're on. It's actually in sport mode now. And it just backfired like a motherfucker. Holy fuck. Oh, now it's loud. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Big difference.
Yeah. Woo.
All fuel, no cats.
Yeah. Big difference there. Holy shit. Does the engine normally make that much like lifter tick, like direct injection type noise?
All new cars do that.
I don't hear any exhaust leaks though.
No, it's good.
I think we're good. If you do get one, it's gonna be at the clamp in the back, most likely.
I'll give you exhaust.
God damn, that's loud, bro. Yeah. Sick.
Something's on fire.